Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to give you the demo of this Ferrules at reference bolt location. Just to look at this model, these are the reference bolts what I have selected now. The total objects selected are 164. Just imagine if you have to add Ferrules to all these reference bolt location, it is going to take at least an hour or two. But with this application, you can just do it with a single click. How I'm selecting this reference bolt, if I just go to my selection filter, you can see here. So this is the criteria which I'm using to select all the reference bolts. And I don't have to pick the panel. I will change this one to, this is just for a demo. And once I change these details, it will automatically update the name here. It will automatically assign the position, and also it will add a subassembly to the respective panels. Let me just click Insert Ferrules for the selected objects. It is adding the Ferrules to the reference bolts. And this is only 1/10 of the model. Just imagine if I have to do this for the entire model. Obviously, it's going to take almost a day. Whereas with this application, you can select all the reference bolt and just go for a tea break and come back, and it will automatically add Ferrules to all the reference bolts. Now you can see 164 objects. Now let me also do this area just to show you. I have selected all these reference bolts. Now there are 36 objects selected, and I'm going to run it one more time. It actually inserts exactly in alignment with the reference bolt and automatically assigns the position near side or far side, and it will also add all the Ferrules as subassemblies to the respective panels. And if you just want to modify here, there is an option. You can select the component and then you can go and change these details and click Update Selected Ferrules. For example, I'm going to take these two panels for the demo and then right click. Pressing the Shift key, when I hide, you don't see the Ferrules. That indicates the Ferrules are already added as subassembly. Let me select the ferrule, and you can see it's M2490. And when I go to the user-defined attributes, it will automatically assign the position based on the cast unit form face, and it will also read. It will also fill this information, product description, code, and comment. So this will help us to get this information in the drawing sheet. Just imagine how much time this is going to save you if you are working as a precast detailer. If you're interested in using this application, feel free to get in touch with me, and thank you for watching this video.